I'm Chris Robinson, and I know how to shop at NAPA Auto Parts. And today, I'm going to show you how to shop for tools. Guess what? We might be called NAPA Auto Parts, but we don't just do auto parts. We do tools. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put together a toolbox for around $250 with all the essentials you're going to need to get the job done right. Ratchet. One of the most essential tools you're going to have in your toolbox, and it's great for removing everything on your vehicle. Definitely need to be in your toolbox. Pliers. Another great tool you're going to need in your toolbox. Fantastic for pulling away battery terminals, and NAPA Auto Parts has the complete line of pliers you're going to need. Hammer. Another useful item you're going to need in your toolbox, and a great thing you're going to also want to have because it'll knock something loose on your vehicle that doesn't want to come loose. But here's a tip. Never hit metal onto metal, and make sure you've got something in between you and this hammer. The screwdriver. No, I'm not referring to the drink. Make sure when you get your first screwdriver, buy a complete set. This way you're not searching for the one you never had. The socket set. Metric and standard all rolled into one great package. Fantastic if you ever take a road trip. Speaking of trips, let's go to power tools. Here we are. NAPA carries the complete line of DeWalt power tools. Waxer, we got it. Grinder, we got it. Drills, we got them too, including all the accessories to go along with your DeWalt product. Now let's go find a toolbox to put them in. Toolboxes. NAPA has the complete line of Evercraft toolboxes. Not only are they stackable, they're functional as well. For the apartment dweller in mind, we have these. Comes in different sizes. And maybe one day, your future kitchen island. Now you know how to shop for tools at NAPA Auto Parts.